Commissioner of Horticulture and Soil Conservation M. Hare Krishna urges farmers to cultivate variety of crops including coconut to boost income. Two-day India-Bangladesh stakeholders meet begin in Guwahati to put Assam at focus point of India's trade expansion with Southeast Asian nations. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Commissioner of Horticulture and Soil Conservation M. Hare Krishna has urged farmers to cultivate variety of crops including coconut to boost their income. He was speaking at the one-day state-level workshop on the theme aspects and prospects of coconut production and post-harvest technology value addition. Sponsored by Coconut Development Board, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department organized a workshop at the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal today. Speaking at the event, M. Hare Krishna asserted that a person can sustain his livelihood for up to 7 years from 100 matured coconut plants. He encouraged farmers in the state to carry out coconut plantation as the state has favorable climate and coconuts produced from the northeast region is in great demand. Speaking at the event, CDB of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Regional Office, Guwahati, Lunghar Obed said that coconut plantation requires minimal expenditure. He maintained that coconut is an economically viable fruit as various products made out of it can be sold throughout the year. Lunghar Obed disclosed that coconut plantation is being carried out at 8 hectares land area in Jiribam for the first phase out of the proposed coconut plantation on 60 hectare land area in Manipur under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. He assured that coconut saplings and incentives will be provided to interested farmers.
Madugi akoina guidance haide magi pambidu chawrongnaba mahi panaba kari tawwa kari matamda kamaini intervene tawwa in terms of fertilizers organic oina pigadra natraga conventional fertilizers sedum piraga su yagadra haibina chingba sigi mayam se sisu adom khanaba chumbraina khalli farmer gi income hingat pai se apni economy da boost pidoini kairigino hai matamda akoi Manipur su all over India, a society
Titular King Laisemba Sanajauba today gave a warm reception and presented gifts to around 200 pilgrims who attended the 221st death anniversary observance of Rajashri Vegachandra at Dwarka in Gujarat. Terpan offering Sankirtana and Ras Leela performances marked the observance held at the sacred shrines in Dwarka, organized by Rajashri Vegachandra Cultural Foundation from September 27 till October 1st. Speaking at the reception program held at Palace Compound Welfare Club this morning, titular King Laisemba Sanajauba appreciated both the pilgrims and the organizers. He encouraged people to take part in such pilgrimages in the future.
mayamgi mateng duna koi mai du pa khibani haibi wakalom du da ngasi thom ta jabani aduna ngasi lengbi rei ba sing aduga ngasi punbi ba ahalaman sing to an to ga hiram kya da mateng pangbiru sing ai mai degi su thamoi sengna ai thagat chari maramdi lap khraba ekoi gi mafam du da ekoi na chalaga koi Rajashri gi jumba thalom pangthok matamda mayamgi mateng samna haibada koi press media sing ngasi se press media gi sumyam yaubiri adagi magi angamba thakta aina loina panjadragasu tholom dubu haubadagi loy phawba nimi khumni mari ni pangthok do pung phan bigi pulam ro madu boy khona ngamjaba khradang koina makoi phamda koi khudol tamjaraga koi tawbimal khangba uchabagi dugba tholom amani.
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council will hold its general body meeting on October 31. Speaking to media at Ibrahima Sumang Lila Shanglane in Palace Compound this morning, Chairman of Academy Subcommittee of the Council, Padmasri Warepanaba, stated that new management committee of the Council will be elected and ways to strengthen the Council will be discussed during the meeting. He appealed to all the members of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, including its associated members, to attend the meeting.
Sumang Lila Councilna matam kayagi mamangdagi miyamgi seba tawjaduna lamdam masigi karigumba karadang da oirabasu culture gi lamda pangthoktuna lakjariba sigumba thaupubi singasina makoigi mapunchi ase kathok charakliba sibu sakhangbasu uchchabu oina amati anobo office bearer amu tam amagi oina khanjaraga hena yaifaba council gi hena phaba porakadaba adugumba thorang do paikhatnabagi damakta akoina sigumba akhannaba press with ase pangthokchabani.
A team of Technopal District Public Health Engineering Department led by Executive Engineer K. Bisorjit inspected the water reserve tank in More Ward number 9 today. Speaking on the sidelines, EE K. Bisorjit appealed to the local residents to stop illegal diversion of water from the water pipeline laid from the water reserve tank towards More Hospital. He urged them to consult the relevant department officials to get legal water supply. K. Bisorjit assured that the department will work honestly to help them. The executive engineer also stated that a new pipeline will be laid from the water reservoir tank to ensure 24-hour water supply at More Hospital. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on two-day India-Bangladesh stakeholders meet in Guwahati. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. The two-day India-Bangladesh stakeholders meet has begun in Guwahati. Assam and Tripura Chief Ministers, Commerce Minister of Bangladesh, Tipu Munshi, Road Transport and Highway Minister of State V.K. Singh took part in the inaugural ceremony among others. Addressing the gathering, Riva Ganguly Das, India's High Commissioner to Bangladesh, said that India accords top priority in our relations with Bangladesh. He said that India is committed development partner of Bangladesh and trade and commerce between the two countries are gradually improving. Assam Industry Minister Chandra Mohan Patowary in his welcome address said that a lot of opportunities opened between the two countries during the past couple of years for the growth of Northeast. Sources said that the idea of India-Bangladesh stakeholders meet is to put Assam at the focus point of India's trade expansion with association of Southeast Asia nations as well as Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. In sports, India completed a 3-0 whitewash of South Africa with yet another comprehensive innings and 202 runs in the third and final test play in Ranchi today. South Africa were all out for 132 in the second innings after the follow-on as the final 2 wickets taken by Shahbaz Nadeem fell without adding any runs to the overnight total. South Africa were all out for 162 in the first inning after India declared at 497 for 9 in the first innings. Mohammad Sami took 3 for 10 runs while Umesh Yadav and Nadeem finished with 2 wickets each. A formidable Indian team turns the visitors with ease as they deservingly completed a 3-0 rout out and out of South Africa. With another 120 points, India now sit pretty on top of the points table with 240 points as the formalities were completed within the first 2 hours of the day. Defending champions Bengaluru FC BFC were held to a goalless draw by Northeast United in the first match of the ongoing 6th season Hero Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 played at Bengaluru's Sri Kantirava Stadium yesterday. In the game played in rainy conditions, Bengaluru FC were unable to breathe a resolute Northeast United defense. Kerala Blasters with 3 points are leading the league's table tally. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Commissioner of Horticulture and Soil Conservation M. Hare Krishna urges farmers to cultivate variety of crops including coconut to boost income. Two-day India-Bangladesh stakeholders meet begins in Guwahati to put Assam as focus point of India's trade expansion with Southeast Asian nations.